Some chart checks. Market's okay now, but it's a bit volatile. We've been speaking about many small cap stocks over the last few days from interesting spaces. Here's one that we've picked up today for you. Span Diagnostics. Stock on your screen. Not a whole lot of trade has happened today at 65 rupees now. It's just a 46 crore market cap stock in the diagnostic products business. And it had sales of nearly 80 crores last year and profits of 5.3 crores. Viral Desai, Managing Director of Span Diagnostics, joins in now. Viral, morning. Thanks for joining in. If you could start by giving us a sense of your business. What did you derive your 80 crores of revenues in FY10 from, principally?
See, we are primarily into the diagnostic reagent manufacturing, and our 80% of the revenue is from this reagent, and remaining 20% is from the instrument what we import and trade. So that's how basically the 80 crore constitute of. Plus we also are a large partner in a government program for malaria and HIV tests, and we have been supplying to the government programs since last 8 years. So that's our strength is.
Your first quarter revenues jumped about 50%. How scalable is this business? How swiftly can you scale it up from the level that it is today?
See, how our product portfolio and all those things are structured. I think in domestic market I see a limitation of growth. I don't think it can grow more than 25%. But as we are focusing now heavily on exports, there the scalability is tremendous, because we are contemplating entering into at least two or three territories direct marketing setup, and also planning to enter into US market by 2012. So there the scalability is tremendous. Otherwise in India the market is growing at around 15%, and we have been consistently growing at around 17 to 20% during last 10 years. So in India the scalability might be limitation, but I think the overall I think there is as a company I think there is a good potential.
Today 10% of revenues comes from exports. How fast can you scale up exports, you think, at Span, and are margins higher too in the export business?
Yeah, fortunately, because of our low cost manufacturing capability, the margins are still higher, and we are giving good competition to China, and primarily China, I would say, in the cost competitive kind of scenario. So margins are more or less in line with the domestic market, nothing very high, nothing low.
So do you think you can do 100 crores of revenues in 2011?
Yeah, we are hoping for that. Our target is that 100 crore. And I think the first question what you ask about exports, I think what we are targeting is 40% of our revenue should be export by next 5 years. That's what our aim is.
And on 100 crores of revenues, if you achieve that, do you think you can report 10 crores of PAT?
Approximately 8 crore is the estimate. Yeah.
8 crores of profit after tax. Okay. But how much of revenues do you expect to derive from government programs? Because I believe you executed tenders worth about 28 crores in fiscal year 10 from the government programs.
Yes. This year also there will be similar tune of the government orders already in pipeline. And most of it we have already executed till September, and that's why precisely what you told, that why the first quarter the business was higher by 40%, because last year we got the tender in the third quarter, which we are executing till September. So of course the first half the sale will be higher. Second half again the new tenders are already in discussion, and I think it will be materializing in a couple of months. So if we get it, then again there is a very positive outlook overall, in the turnover side.
Good luck, Viral. Thanks very much for your time today. That's Span Diagnostics. Stocks up 20% now, 19%. 50 crores market cap, says will deliver 100 crores in sales and 8 crores in profit after tax this year. you can work the math out. Good niche place of diagnostics. Moving now to another company.